Good morning, y'all. Did not expect the 49ers to lose to the Chiefs last night, but, you know, it is what it is. Let's go ahead and dig deep into the charts. Right now, we're looking at the 1 hour candle. There is some inefficiency here. That price looks like it wants to hold. We'll see if price wants to come back down into that level and into this level today, because if we are overall bullish, then the price will come down Monday, Tuesday, and then head back up and we can see more all-time highs, right? It's going to remove all of my other markings, but yeah, that's kind of what price is doing right now. We have relative equal highs right there. Digging down into the 15-minute, London session swept Asia high, did not really take out Asia low yet. So I'm expecting price to actually take out London low, Asia low, maybe come back down into this fair value gap before heading back up and taking out London high and New York PM high. Let's see how many points Asia ranged. 40, so about 33 points, which is a little higher than normal for Asia consolidation. London manipulated up, took out Asia high, failed to take out Asia low. So yeah, price is definitely going to take out these lows. I'm going to be looking for a reversal. We're going to be patient today. 5 minutes, same story. Let's just wait for price to take those lows out, and that's what we're going to do. All right, making sure there's no news today. We got inflation tomorrow at 8:30. That's going to be crazy. And then Thursday, we got retail sales. Friday, we got building permits. Michigan consumer sentiment, all right, at 10 a.m. So we've got lots of news this week. There's going to be lots of volatility. So be safe, be patient, and let's get it. All right, I wasn't able to talk much because I was on a call, and yeah, I know I shouldn't be trading on a call, but it filled my my entry, and I was kind of putting notes into the charts as I was watching price action, and price is kind of just consolidating right now. I typed in price may come down here because of this manipulation leg right here. It's in line with the 2 fibs, so I'm going to be watching out for that. All right, so this is my Excel spreadsheet. I kind of took this from ICT, and Cayman Capital is doing the same thing, except he's doing it on a 50K account. I wanted to do it on a 100K account because that's the funded account that we're using, but I'm still going to be following the same trade plan. I could basically trade 1 micro, but I don't want to trade I could technically trade 2 micros, but I don't want to take 2 micros because I want to get my trading psychology in line. So I'm going to start with 1, and until I add the planned equity onto my portfolio, I'm not going to raise the number of micros that I will trade to 2, right? So last week, as you all know, I'm down 855. So my actual equity, meaning how much money I have left to blow this account, is $2,144. All right, so we're starting at this level because that's where my funded account is at. So week 1, this is where we're at. Week 2, trying to add 240 and so on, right? Oh my gosh, this price action is like watching paint dry. All right, just a little price update here. Price may take out an NYC AM high, make new NYC AM highs, and just dump. It just took out the highs, but I'm hoping that it hits London high and then comes down. I'm going to move my sell stop up to protect my position. I do not expect price to come back down into this area, but if it does, then oh well. But London highs is the target. We're watching this carefully. And then after it takes London highs, I'm actually expecting price to come back down. So I'm going to look for a sell position after it takes these highs. I'm actually very happy about this trade because I am trading my plan. My trade plan is to look for manipulation, look for a change in the state of delivery, wait for price to retrace back into that order block, and then take it up to the next pool of liquidity, which was London high. I'm going to be waiting for price to take that high. If it doesn't, then oh well. I am trading 1 micro, so this should help with my my over trading, my trading psychology. Hopefully following that trade plan will definitely help me become a more consistent trader, and this is what I'm going to be following. And honestly, I don't see price moving down without it taking London high. I forgot the space heater was on. If y'all hear like a background white noise type thing, that's my space heater. I don't turn the heat on in my house during the daytime because electricity prices are insane. Let's go! That trade was executed perfectly. So right now, today was 58.66 in profits on that 1 micro position. I am now going to be looking for a short. Alright, y'all. I entered this trade because of this bullish divergence. Fair value gap order block entry here. I put my entry there as price was moving back up. My sell stop is going to be right underneath this order block here. And I had to shift my my bias for a little bit. So I took the fib level from here to here, and my take profit level is going to be at the 4.5 fib at 20, at 18120, 25. Actually, let me bring that down to 20. But that's my take profit. If I get stopped out on this trade, then I get stopped out, right? But it's whatever. So right now, this is still in line with my trade strategy. This is one of my trade strategies, right? We're gonna see how it does here. Because it did take PM high, it did take previous days highs. So this could be an area, a high confluence area to short, but I'm expecting price to head up more because we are in a market maker buy model at the moment. And this consolidation, manipulation was just to send price higher. That's my opinion. All right, don't crucify me for that. And I am not a financial advisor. I have to I have to say that disclosure because I'm far from being a professional trader, right? All right. So back to the 1 minute chart. Price action looks pretty good so far. Let me move this fair value gap down to that. Yep. So the bodies are within the fair value gap. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. I'm trading my plan, so it's okay. Update. I'm really liking this price action so far. It did break that high, so I'm moving my sell stop to break even, a little above break even to, adjust for commissions and fees. We will see where price ends up. Hopefully to my 4.5 fib target. So I am now at a no risk position. Alright, so stress-free environment. Let's go. Update on my portfolio. I am currently, with this position, I'm currently at $97 in profit, and my total portfolio is still down $759. Coming back into the charts, price is pumping up to the 4 fib level. I'm going to be watching this area closely because it could retrace from the 4 fib. I'm moving my stop up to this high so I can lock in some profits now. If price was definitely bullish, I'm expecting it to just blow through this, but it could, come up, come back down a little bit, do some wiggle, and then come up. We'll see. It'd be wonderful if it just shot up into my target, right? That'd be ideal. But we can't always get what we want. I think it's okay to bring my stop loss down to this order block right here now. And if it hits my stop, I'm happy. I'm happy because I'm following my trade plan today. And this is only my second trade of the day. Isn't that crazy? I'm really trying to buckle down and become a consistent trader. And I thank y'all for joining me on this journey so far. Y'all have been super supportive and helpful, providing great insight, great advice, sharing y'all's strategies. So you can actually see the evolution. Like from episode 1, January 2nd to now, you'll start to see an evolution in my trading. And hopefully that evolution to y'all has been very positive, because I tried to keep everything very positive, and it's been helping. It's been really helping my trading psychology. So we're almost there. 4.5 fib, 18120. Let's go. I'm actually gonna move my stop up to here. The lock-in profits. What is this? A micro position. One contract is $2 per handle. So per tick, it's what, 50 cents per tick? Oh shoot, look at that price go. I'm moving my stop up to this order block right there. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. My portfolio is now up 154.32. That was a $97 position. All right, let's get right into the trade summary. Took 2 trades for a net profit of 154.32. I am going to be walking away from the computer now because I don't want to overtrade. 100% win rate. 2 trades there. 10:30 closed, 11:30 closed. These are my trades down here. Now let's look at the executions. Alright, this looks a lot better. A lot better. I took 2 trades, as you can see here. I bought one at $29.50, sold one at $59.50, bought one at $71.50, and then sold it at $120. I would say today is a pretty successful day. I just wanted to share my trade plan again. Right now, Equities started, week 1, Equities started at $3,000. My goal is to make 120 point gains for the week, right? Added equity will be 240. Is that math even right? Points, so 50 cents. Yeah, that is right. Okay, because each tick on a micro is 50 cents. So added equity is 240. My current portfolio from last week, if you didn't see, I lost $855 because I traded 80 positions. It was just insanity. So my actual equity for this week is at 2144.84. I'm not going to be updating this spreadsheet until the end of the week. So in week 2 on Friday, you're going to see an update here. What I will do is continue to update you daily here. All right. So as you can see, my net liquidity right now is 784 in drawdown, and we will be slowly adding on liquidity, adding on equity, and building my portfolio back up. And if I follow this trade plan, by the 51st week, our portfolio should have $341,000. That's if I don't withdraw any money. If you want to join me on my journey, please subscribe, like this video if you liked it, and leave a comment. Let me know how you did. Catch y'all tomorrow.